In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix line thickness, line weight not showing or changing in AutoCAD. If your lines all look the same on screen or your adjustments don't seem to do anything, it usually comes down to how line weight is being displayed and assigned. We'll walk through 3 simple checks so your drawings show the thickness you expect while you work. First, turn on Lineweight Display, look at the status bar at the bottom of AutoCAD and find the button labeled LWT. Click it to toggle Lineweight Display on. When it's off, every line looks identical no matter what thickness you've assigned, which can be confusing. Turning it on doesn't change your geometry, it just tells AutoCAD to visually represent different line weights on screen. After you switch it on, zoom in a bit and you should start to see thicker and thinner lines based on their assigned settings. Next, check your line weight settings. Type L weight on your keyboard and press enter. In the line weight settings dialog, make sure that display line weight is checked. This confirms that AutoCAD is allowed to show those thicknesses while you draft. While you're here, you can review the available line weight values and, if needed, adjust the default line weight that new objects use. Picking a clear default, like a modest medium value, helps keep your drawing readable before you fine-tune specific layers or objects. Remember, these values are typically in millimeters, and what you see on screen is a visual preview meant to help you differentiate elements as you work. Finally, assign line weight to a layer or directly to an object. The most reliable approach is by layer. Open your layer properties, select the layer you want, and set its line weight. Every object on that layer will adopt that thickness automatically, which keeps your standards consistent. If you need a one-off change, select an object, open the properties palette, and choose a specific line weight for that item. If an object is set to by layer and you don't see a change, confirm that the layer's line weight isn't set to the default that matches everything else. Also, extremely thin values can look similar at certain zoom levels, so zoom in to verify. With LWT on, you should immediately see the difference on screen. That's it. Turn on line weight display, confirm the line weight settings, and assign the right line weight by layer or object. With those 3 checks, your line thickness will show an update as expected, making your drawings clearer and more professional.